Yo, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Wahl 1919 100 years from AliExpress. And this is the Wahl 1919. I bought it from AliExpress. It's written made in the USA, but this one is not original. The box looks like this. So nothing really on the body, as you can see. So now, this is the clipper, and inside charging cable, guide combs. I don't really use these guide combs, so I use the one of Monster clippers. The comb, oil, and little brush. What next? A letter and the manual. So I was reading something, I guess it's around okay, just a letter. I guess it's around 70-minute operating time. I guess so. I don't know where I read it. So okay. Now let's talk about this clipper from AliExpress. So it's beautiful. Okay, the range. Okay. Got taper blade. Okay. The sound is not that good. So I guess it's it's the cam follower that is not good. So let me change the cam follower. Okay. Yo, this cam follower. This blade. I'm gonna check it. So I'm gonna put this type of cam follower. So first we'll put some Vaseline. So it's already inside now, and I'm gonna put a ceramic blade from Pop Barbers. So I'm gonna put original Wahl blade. So it's a really, see? See, it's quieter. So I put it already. The original Wahl blade and a ceramic blade from Pop Barbers. You see, it's really quiet. So let's make an RPM test. And this one that I built by myself, you know. And so let's try also the RPM when it's plugged. So well, maybe it's the battery that is a little bit low, so I'm gonna charge it and then see. I don't want to make a teardown on this video. My next unboxing video of Wahl Cordless Senior, I will make a teardown and make a comparison with Wahl Cordless Senior. I mean, original Wahl Cordless Senior. So, peace, man.